Namaste friends and welcome back to my channel Advocate Pramod Bhardwaj Speaks. I'm Advocate Pramod Kumar Bhardwaj and today we shall discuss a topic that's both urgent and controversial, online betting in India. In this video we'll dissect the legal maze, celebrity influence, societal damage and the burning question, is online gambling a boon or a curse? Let's dive in with facts, case studies and actionable insights. India's gambling laws are a patchwork of contradictions. Under entry 34 of the state list in the Indian Constitution, states like Goa and Sikkim permit casinos and online betting licenses, while Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh impose outright bans. For instance, Tamil Nadu's Prohibition of Online Gambling and Regulation of Online Games Act 2022 initially prohibited even skill-based games like Rummy, but the Madras High Court struck this down, ruling that Rummy involves substantial skill. Meanwhile, Sikkim issues licenses under its Sikkim Online Gaming Regulation Act 2008, allowing platforms like Sikkim Lottery and Play Rummy to operate legally. At the national level, the Public Gambling Act 1867, yes, a colonial-era law, still governs physical gambling, but it's silent on digital platforms. This vacuum is partially filled by the IT Act 2000, which lets the central block sites under Section 69A. Since 2022, more than 1,400 gaming platforms have been banned. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, effective July 2024, introduces modern penalties, 1 to 7 years of imprisonment for organizing illegal gambling with fines up to 10 lakh rupees. However, loopholes exist. For example, fantasy sports apps like Dream 11 operate freely by claiming to be games of skill, a classification upheld by the Supreme Court in 2021 Chamar Bagwala case, but now under review. The GST Council's 28% tax on online gaming face value, effective October 2023, has sparked chaos. Legitimate operators like Games 24x7 claim the tax could shrink their revenues by 70%, while illegal offshore platforms evade taxes entirely. The Finance Ministry's 30% TDS on net winnings adds another layer, but enforcement remains weak. Only 8% of winnings were reported in financial year 2023-24 per Income Tax Department data. Crackdowns and scandals, the dark underbelly. The 5,000 crore Mahadev betting app scandal is just the tip of the iceberg. The Enforcement Directorate alleges the app used Hawala networks and cryptocurrency to launder money, with proceeds linked to Naxal funding in Chhattisgarh. Celebrities who promoted Mahadev faced public outrage, though no charges were filed. In January 2025, the Delhi police busted a cricket betting app racket laundering 200 crore rupees during the India-England Test series. The mastermind, a Dubai-based operator, used AI-driven algorithms to manipulate odds. Despite these efforts, offshore platforms continue thriving. A 2024 FICCI report estimates 1.2 lakh crores is wagered annually on illegal platforms, with 28% of users aged only 18 to 25. What about celebrity endorsements, glitz, glamour and grey areas? Bollywood and cricket stars have become the face of online gambling. Actors ad for MPL and cricketers ads for promotions for Dream 11 have normalized betting amongst youth. A 2024 survey by Media Research Users Council found 63% of teenagers recalled gambling ads featuring celebrities, with 41% trying apps to emulate their idols. While the Advertising Standards Council of India mandates disclaimers like "this game involves financial risk and may be addictive," critics argue that these are ineffective. In November 2024, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting issued an advisory banning gambling ads on TV and OTT platforms, but influencers on Instagram and YouTube continue pushing betting apps through surrogate ads. The legal angle: celebrities exploit a loophole, endorsing games of skills versus games of chance. However, the Consumer Protection Act 2019 holds endorsers liable for misleading ads. According to recent news, Hyderabad police has registered cases against 11 influencers under various provisions for promoting betting on social media platforms. Will other celebrities face similar consequences? The law is murky. The human cost is staggering. Addiction Epidemic, a 2024 AIM study found 7.4% of online gamers exhibit gambling disorder symptoms. Tamil Nadu's 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. gameplay ban and 10,000 daily deposits limits aim to curb this, but addicts simply switch to different VPNs. Financial ruin in Hyderabad, a 22-year-old student died by suicide after losing 8 lakh rupees on an online gambling platform. His case is among 340 gambling linked suicides reported in 2024. The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center reported more than 12,000 gambling linked phishing cases in 2024, where users were tricked into sharing UPI or bank details via fake apps like Lure Empire or something. States are responding. While Kerala has launched de-addiction clinics for gambling addicts, some states have tried to make Aadhaar-based KYC mandatory for gaming apps, but these measures have been opposed by the online gaming platforms for obvious reasons. Proponents argue that India's online gaming industry will create 50,000 jobs by 2026 and attract $4 billion in FDI. Skill-based platforms like Dream11, valued at more than $8 billion, and MPL, valued at more than $2.5 billion, showcase this potential. Critics, including the All India Gaming Federations, counter that the 28% GST favors offshore operators. For instance, Betway, that is illegal in India, saw a 45% surge in Indians users post GST as per similar web data. Social costs are equally dire. The National Mental Health Survey 2025 links online gambling to 20% of personal loan defaults in urban India. What are the disadvantages and recorded incidents of online gambling? Online gambling, while offering convenience and entertainment, has been associated with several adverse consequences like addiction and mental health issues. The accessibility of online gambling platforms can lead to addictive behaviors. Individuals may find themselves spending excessive time and money, leading to stress, anxiety, and depression. It may lead to financial losses. There have been numerous reports of individuals incurring significant debts due to uncontrolled gaming habits. For instance, in 2023, a young professional in Bengaluru reportedly lost over rupees 20 lakhs within months, leading to severe financial distress, financial disputes, financial, family, and social disputes and issues. Addiction to online gambling has been linked to familial conflicts, breakdown of relationships, and neglect of responsibilities. Several cases have emerged where individuals engrossed in online betting have faced marital issues and estrangement from family members. Exposure to fraudulent platforms. The online space is rife with unregulated and fraudulent gambling platforms. Users risk not only financial losses but also exposure to data breaches and cybercrimes. So, what is the path forward? Regulation, not prohibition. Federal legislation. The Tamil Nadu government has enacted the Tamil Nadu Online Gaming Authority Real Money Games Regulations 2025, introducing strict compliance requirements for RMG platforms. Strict laws, strict ad laws, which may be aligned with UK's 2005 Gambling Act, banning celebrities from endorsing betting apps. But most importantly, creating public awareness about disadvantages and mental health issues that may be related to online betting, online gambling apps. The realm of online gambling in India is intricate, shaped by a blend of central and state laws, judicial interpretations, and evolving societal norms. While it offers potential economic benefits, the associated risks, especially concerning addiction and financial losses, cannot be ignored. As a nation, we must balance innovation with accountability. The role of celebrities and influencers in endorsing such platforms adds another layer of complexity, with legal authorities increasingly scrutinizing such endorsements. As we navigate this digital age, it's imperative for individuals to stay informed, exercise caution, and engage only with platforms that operate within the legal frameworks established by our nation. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. Stay aware, stay informed, and until next time, take care. If you need any kind of legal information or advice, you may contact me via my WhatsApp or email provided in the description below. So, till next time, remember the house always wins, but you can choose not to play.